Yahoo Mail is one of the most popular free email services, offering a secure platform to send, receive, and organize emails. Creating a Yahoo email account is easy and can be done in a few minutes on your PC. First, go ahead and open your web browser. From here, go to yahoo.com. This will take you to this kind of interface. Tap on sign in the top right corner of your screen, and this will take you to a new page with the sign in portal. As we do not have an account yet and we're trying to sign in, tap on create an account option. Now you need to go ahead and enter your full name in this page. Now enter the email address that you want to associate with your account. Then enter your password that you want to set. After that, select your date of birth. Then tap on next, which is highlighted in blue color. You can also add your phone number and follow the on-screen instructions. In the sign-in page, you also have the option to continue with your Google account, and you'll be done. Your Yahoo Mail account has been created. Now, in order to access your inbox, tap on this mail icon in the top right corner of your screen that is beside the profile picture. And here you can easily go ahead and send and receive email. But before that, you need to again confirm your email address. Ensure that you give all the access to the Yahoo website, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. This is how you can go ahead, sign in your Yahoo Mail account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.